Hello everyone, it's Auhunjon and Shahdat. Today we will be talking about digital applications and multimedia for vocabulary learning. There is a big question on that. Uh, how can digital applications and multimedia help vocabulary learning? And we think in the modern era, language learning with the use of technology is considered very crucial. It is also critical for today's language instructors to possess a technological toolkit of applications, websites, and multimedia applications that can help save time and provide variability and flexibility to engage learners with any material that they study. It is, therefore, the primary objective of this presentation to share innovative ways of learning vocabulary in and outside of the classroom by focusing on vocabulary development through a number of digital resources. Moreover, teachers will come to know the do's and don'ts of effective vocabulary learning while focusing on aspects of variety of vocabulary activities. Taking one example, word hippo. It provides a thesaurus and word tools that can be used for finding synonyms and antonyms and other aspects of learning vocabulary, directly or indirectly. The aim is to present a number of tools and technologies that teachers can rely upon to provide learning content for effective vocabulary development of the learners under their care. In our presentation, we are going to describe a website. We think it's extremely useful and we chose it. Why? Because it's suitable for all age. Let's type the name of the website. The website is called TESOL.com as it appears in here, and it provides 21 useful tools for learning vocabulary. So let's find it in here a lot faster. 21 digital tools should do it, I guess. And here it is. Let's open it. So this site is run by Kimberly Tyson. I think it's a very useful site. Both teachers and students can use this site. As there is a lot of application and a little time, I'm only going to describe some of them. So let's pick the first one. It's Lingro. So if you are learning a lot of languages at the same time, this application is just for you. Let's write one word here. Language, for example. And you can see the translation in Spanish, French, German, Italian, and in a lot of other languages. In total 12 languages. I think this is a great application for the people who are learning several languages. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's pick, for example, snappy words. Snappy words is another visual thesaurus. Teachers may want to introduce several of the thesaurus tools and allow students to select which works best for them. The visually sparse, cleaner display of Wikipedia works better for everyone. Let's write a word. For example, machine. So as you can see, it appears like a thesaurus. If you hover over the word, you can see the definition. So you can see synonyms and the words connected to machine. Well, let's type another word. For example, here. So all the words connected to heel, synonyms, almost every word which is related to heel. When you hover over a word, you can see the whole definition of the word. I think that's what makes it very useful. So and now let's move forward. Let's choose word hippo. Word hippo is an all-in-one reference tool. It does the following features. It defines a word, provides a meaning, provides a word that is opposite, pronounce a word, provides rhyming, and places the word in many different contexts. And it can translate the word. I think that's a lot for an application. Let's test it. And here we can type a word. Let's write hippo. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Now it can find the synonyms for hippo. As you can see, there are a lot of synonyms for hippo and questions about hippo. You can change the form, like you can make it opposite or meaning, rhymes. So let's do it this way. For example, rhymes. Here. As you can see, these are the words that can rhyme with hippo. Moreover, it can show you synonyms or definitions or you can see it in a sentence. I think that's great. Now let's go to the next one. For example, wordnik.com. Wordnik.com has a lot of in common with other digital applications. Wordnik is like a traditional dictionary with a twist. Along with the definition, students can see images related to the word, hear related sounds, and even see tweets with the target word highlighted. The related words feature is particularly helpful. Wordnik also features a word of the day, random words, and pronunciations of the words. What I like most about it is the etymology of the word. You can see the origin of the words. For example, let's write it here. For example, president. Let's see. Definitions, you can see here, define, use it in a sentence, and etymology. You can know the origin of the word. I think that's great. And the next one. Here, let's say mass words. So you can read the definition and the pictures related to that. For example, let's choose geometry. Let's say arc of circle here. Yeah, this is the definition and the pictures are provided. And actually here you can choose the category and choose the word that you need. And now the next one. A mass dictionary for kids. Let's try this one. Yeah, it's kind of a very simple but useful, especially for kids. Let's choose this one. Here, pictures are provided and you can see the definition, you can read it. And what about this one? Yeah, that's great. Altitude, 1000-meter peak, abundant number. So you guys are the judge. If a young math learner finds it difficult to learn math words, this web page is just right for them. The next one. So let's open WordSwift. WordSwift is similar to Wordle. Students type in a piece of text and WordSwift sorts the text based on word frequency. The visual thesaurus that displays beneath the words is a nice addition in WordSwift. With the visual thesaurus, students immediately see how words are grouped semantically. Let's write the word baby. So there's a warning sign. You can only write only one word. Alright. Yeah. So now, as you can see, it shows the grouped word. baby, and all the words connected to this. I think that's great. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So as you can see, there's a lot. Let's choose this one. Vocabulary games. 16 games are at your service, so you can choose any of them for your class or for yourself. Let's choose one in here just to test. For example, vocabulary quiz. Let's open it. So here, so you can choose from the category. There is a lot. You can set the level, timer, questions according to your own test. Let's choose this one. At the movies. So here you can see the time is going, so you have to choose one of these four, and then it will calculate. Well, let's see, for example, actor. So it's like that. It's very easy, so anyone can understand and play without any difficulty. So it's all up to you. Well, let's try another games as well. For example, slang game. As you can see, there's a slang, and you have to find the correct one. So it goes like that. So there's a timer in here too, so you have to be very quickly. So it's all up to you, so you can learn and do everything that can make you feel a lot better. As the time we were given is limited, I think we're done here. We hope all these 21 digital tools will assist you in your lesson, and we advise you to check out with the rest of the tools for yourself, and we hope you like them either. Thank you for your time and attention. Have a great day.